How to turn off browsing history on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Amazon. This is the home page. Now go down here, click on your profile, and now this is my profile. As you can see, scroll down and go to your products. Here click view your browsing history and click turn recently viewed items off. Now click turn off browsing history. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.